Right, so now create Google Analytics event. So you already maybe create the triggers, WP from submission trigger. So now you can click the tag section and create a new tag. And first of all, you need to create the new tag from Google tag for install the Google Analytics basic code, like measurement code, and put the Google tag ID. Okay, so then you can go to the new tag and selected the tag configuration section and selected Google Analytics and selected the Google Analytics GA4 event and put the measurement ID. You already know how to find the measurement ID. Now go to the plus icon. I already created variable, constant variable GA4. You can see I search it GA4. This is GA4 ID. Then I can put, now we can put the name, anything. Suppose I put uh, Jena generate lead. This is the Google Analytics standard event, generate lead. Now we can put some information, parameter, send the Google Analytics dashboard. Okay, the parameter is page URL. Also we can put page path. Okay, and we can put the value, parameter value is page URL. We can search page URL and also click the plus icon, put the path, page path, page path, and selected the trigger. We are already know Google Tag Manager trigger, like WP from submission trigger is a WP from using the Google listener GTM listener code. Okay, so I selected this one and now create a new tag, click the save. The name is, I put WP from submission, just generate lead. Okay, I put the generate lead and save it. So this is the process created the Google Analytics new event. So thank you so much.